So today we're going to work with the alternate nostril breath in a more sort of systematic order. I'm going to work with 3 rounds, then we'll have 3 breaths in and out, another 3 rounds, 3 breaths in and out, final 3 rounds, final 3 breaths in and out. And 1 round is inhale through the left, out through the right, and back in through the right and out through the left. Cool, let's give it a go. So again, your hand wherever it feels right, thumb, pointer finger, or just the traditional way. Just make sure the posture is just lifting slightly, that chest lifting up and forward, shoulders soft, face is soft. Just closing down the right nostril, inhale left, exhale right, inhale right, exhale left. 1 round, 2 more. In left, out through the right, in through the right, out left. That's 2, 1 more. In left, out right, in through the right, out through the left. Release the hand in through both nostrils, out through both, and in through both, out through both, in through both, out through both. Return the hand, in through the left, out through the right, in through the right, out through the left, in left, out right, in right, out left. 1 more. In left, out right, in through the right, out through the left. So pause, release the hand in through both nostrils and out through both. And in, out, in, and out. Final round of 3. Return the hand in through the left, out right, in through the right, out left, in left, out right, in right, out left. 1 more. In left, out right, in through the right, out through the left. Release the hand, breathe in through both sides and out, in through both and out. Final one in through both and out. And just resting here, allowing the breath to find its own rhythm. Still aware of the breath, aware of how it moves the body. Listening, feeling, sensing. Take a nice deep breath in. Side out. Look at the fingers. Gently move the head. Bring yourself back to the room. Aware, awake, and restored. Thank you. Have an awesome day, guys.